Friends, and welcome to the daily predictions. We are going to talk about how 27th of September is going to be, the energy of 27th of September, Monday. A video for 24th, 25th and 26th is already on the channel if you get time to watch that. The energy of 27th of September is little confusing energy because your emotions are going to be high. Your emotions are going to be triggered in a way, because the first card that I have is Emperor, and that card is of somebody who's in authority. That card is of somebody who has the power, somebody who has the experience. There is a person behind him who's looking at him, and he's aware of the presence of her. Okay, and this card is of throat chakra, and this is the card of communication. This is the card of talking something out, using your experiencing, saying something that is based upon your experience. And then the next card that I have is Two of Swords, which is a card of confusion, which is the card of where you feel blindfolded, which is a card where you at times it is difficult for you to kind of believe in your own skills, your own thoughts, your own abilities, and something gets presented to you which is a little confusing. Now the third card that I have is Ten of Swords, and I will tell you how this applies to your life and in every way, but I wanted you to see the cards first. The third card is Ten of Swords, and if you see Ten of Swords, this person has 10 swords on her, and there is a sun rising on the background. The snow is actually melting now, and the sun has started to rise. And the last card is Ten of Cups, 10 of Coins, which is 10 of Pentacle. It is also money energy, but it is also energy of abundance. Now the way these cards are, first of all, we see two tens, and when we see one six, because there is 4 and 1, 4 and 2, which makes it 6. Now the energy of these cards are that there is a possibility where some message, some communication, something comes your way, and because of that communication, because of that message, because of that voice, because of that thing, there is a possibility where you get confused, where there is a confusion. The energy is such that because of that communication, there might be some kind of confusion, there might be some kind of blindfold, there might be some kind of a thought where you think that what is happening, where am I going, or is this right, is this wrong? And then there is an energy of ending and a new beginning, because Ten of Swords is usually endings, usually some kind of issue which cannot get worse than this, right? So then when a situation, when the night is at its darkest hour, that is the time when the sun rises, and that's the kind of situation. And this is the card of abundance. Now it feels like, with the way the energies are showing up, it feels like there is a possibility where you from your job, from your work, from your relationships, from people around you, from authorities around you, from situations around you, you might get some kind of a communication, and there could be like a two-way energy of this communication, because you might get some communication, and that communication might just blindfold you temporarily, or might just invoke all your emotions temporarily, because we got all the three chakras, which are all the two chakras, which are solar plexus and sacral chakra, and these are the chakras of your emotions, these are the chakras of your will, these are the chakras of water and fire. And some kind of communication, some kind of somebody's words, basically somebody's voice, somebody's word can actually trigger your emotions very, very strongly. And I wanted to clarify how these will be triggered, or will this be positive or negative. The card that came is Two of Cups. Two of Cups is again a card of choices, because if you see, this person has chosen to kind of hold on to this person, but this person is somewhere looking at somewhere else, right? He's choosing somebody else probably, or something else probably. So this is a card of choices again, and this is number two. This is number two. These are cards of choices. And if you see, the amazing part is that this is 4 plus 2 is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This 2 makes it 10 again. So there is an energy of completion undoubtedly, but that completion is going to be dependent upon a choice. There is a possibility that a communication comes to you, and maybe by 2 p.m., like half day, midday, afternoon, the communication is not complete, and you feel blindfolded, or you feel stuck by that communication, or you feel that something is wrong, or something is not right, or where is this communication going, what is happening. But by end of the day, or by the beginning of the new day, everything will become crystal clear. So you don't have to get worried or negative about what is happening around you. You have to make a choice to be positive. You have to make a choice to be stable. The second thing is that I somewhere feel that there is a possibility where there might be some kind of health issue, and you will have to, if you face any health issue, if you feel that there is a health issue, if you feel that your health is being impacted in any way, then ensure to kind of talk about it, ensure to get yourself checked or tested. For 10 of swords at times is a card of surgery, or at times is a card of backache or back issue or problem, but because ultimately there is 10 of coins and ultimately there is 2 of cups there, I feel that everything is going to be settled down, and the right choice will help you move forward, because that's the energy of the cards for 27th Monday. Now I got these are the cards from Chakra Wisdom Tarot, and now I got other two cards from the surrender cards, and the first card says surrender frustration, and it says frustration doesn't open any doors. The key to resolving a dilemma or resolving a block is to take a breath, center yourself and regroup. You may approach the situation more calmly. And yes, like I said, that there is a possibility where some communication, some situation comes where on the face of it you feel frustrated, or you feel that where is it going, what is happening, but just ensure that you have to regroup, you have to approach it again in a different way, and the things will become better and calm down, so you don't have to get frustrated. The next card is surrender to your soul's path, and it says your life's journey has been perfectly designed for your soul growth. Embrace every lesson and every moment. So know that whatever is happening in your life at this point in time, whatever message, communication, or whatever is coming your way, whatever is making you confused, or whatever is completing, ending, or a new beginning is happening, know that it is completely designed as how it is meant to be, and ultimately there will be a lesson in it, and when you learn your lesson you will see things working out better. The next card that I got is from Moonology Tarot, and it say Moonology cards, and it say walk through your fears, and this is new moon in Scorpio, and this card is again giving the same kind of energy, which is saying that at times things invoke or things happen in our life because we fear, and whatever we fear becomes the truth of our life, and at times when we work through that fear, that is when a new energy invokes and a new beginning happens. So ensure that you work through your fears, and when you work through your fears you will see a new energy invoking and coming. Next card that I have is from Witch's Wisdom Tarot, Witch's Wisdom Oracle, and this says spell, and it says manifestation. I'm going to read this card out to you because I want you to know what this card actually means, because it's the card of manifestation, and again this is 80, number 8. This card says this is a good time for you to work spells for magic bounds. Your manifestation ability are heightened, and a magical energy runs through all that you put your focus on. Your gift at this moment in time to bring about what you desire is strong, as is your understanding of elements, herbs, and candles and magics. But remember to be careful what you wish for, as you could be blind to any unseen factors if the action you take is not for the highest good. So this card basically says that manifestation works on threefold law, and the law is: 1, we have to be transparent about your wish. Second, we have to be transparent about our wish. Second, we have to consider the consequences, and the wish should be only for the highest good of everybody else. And third, there at no moment there should be any difference between our thoughts and our words. So these 3 laws, if you actually ace these 3 laws today, that 1, whatever you wish for, you should be very, very transparent with that. You should be very, very clear what are you wishing for. Second, you should know that whatever you are wishing for is the exact thing that is for the highest good of everybody, which is for the highest consciousness. And third, there should be no difference between your thoughts and in your words. So ensure that whatever you would want to manifest, you will be able to manifest that. And for manifesting that, somewhere it is going to be very important that you believe in yourself. Okay, Pihu is here, she's imitating me. Now I got some cards out from Pihu, बेचा आप 2 मिनट उतर जाओ, मम्मा को 1 मिनट कार्ड्स दिखाने, आप चप्पल पहन के आओ, चलो फिर हमने जाना है. Okay, so I got few more cards from Angel Answers cards, and first card that I got is get more information. Like I said, that whatever you get, whatever information will come your way, it will not be complete. Okay, it will not be complete. Don't immediately jump on conclusions. Don't immediately jump on situations. The next card is success, and it says not the right time, wait. So the cards are very clear that whatever is coming your way, whether it is information about your job, about your work, about your relationship, about anything, that whatever is coming your way, there is still more information to come about it. And that is why for the success, this might not be the right time and you'll have to wait a little more. So whatever is coming your way, know that it is coming for a good reason. There is a reason behind it. It is related to the lesson. You can still manifest what you want to, but just don't disturb your energies and surrender to the soul path. And ultimately there's a complete 10. 10 is ending and new beginning. So absolutely whatever will come your way, you will have a choice to how to move forward with it, and every ending will be a new beginning. I'm going to take out an additional message, and the cards that I'm using here are the Sacred Indian Tarot. They only have the major arcana. There are no minor arcana in them. So let me see what is the message, guides, angels. What is the message for 27th? What do we need to know? 27th of September 2021. Okay, the card came. Justice. Beautiful card. Nyay. Justice. Beautiful card to come in the end. And end of the deck we have Devil. Again, if you see, this is again a choice, right? This is again a choice. This is number 15. This is number 11. And this is basically 6 plus 2, 8. It will all depend upon your strength. There is infinite opportunities on Monday. It will all depend upon how you look at things and what is your strength that you use to move forward. The card is Justice. It is Nyay. And if you see the weighing scales here, the weighing, whatever, like there's no weighing scale. It is on the hand, but one side is down and one side is upright. So at times justice takes time, justice takes prayers, justice takes nyay, justice takes a lot of precision. And if you see, the higher side is the one where there are more bangles, but the lower side is one where there are actually less bangles, right? So at times for justice, you need to know that at times it also depends upon what are you putting into it, how much effort are you putting into it, how much abilities are you putting into it. And there is red and green here, there is only red here, right? So how much are you grounded and how much your heart is open? If your heart is open, if you're grounded, if you're believing for the right things, if you're believing for the right situations to come, if you're believing in the right methods of thinking, or if you're completely grounded, if you have no emotions attached to it, but you're completely grounded and you have complete faith. Now the faith is what brings the results. So last card is Justice, and I'm again saying that whatever will happen will be just, will be good. And I'm going to take out one more card. I don't know why I'm guided, but I'm going to take out one more card from here, and that's when I will end the session. So guides, angels, message for 27th of September 2021. What do we need to know? Princess of Swords. Princess of Swords is again a card of choice. Why? Because if you see here, she has her sword high, but she's looking at somewhere else. She's not looking at her sword. She's not looking in the front. She's looking behind. So it will be a choice. The communications will come. It will be a choice for you to look behind, look in the past, or be in the present, or look at the future. So again, the justice will bring the choice. The situations will bring the choice. Choice will completely be yours. I hope this resonates. And if it does, please share it with everyone else. And please send the feedback. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.